Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm Creation. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet design. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to your pupil, and each all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about the designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. If you know how to do crochet work yourself, you can do the work yourself with